Oh, too close. Yeah. Yeah. That's not what you want, huh?
I can make it thinner. She might drink it. Yeah.
No success. Forget this crap.
Let me add her milk.
Where's she going? Jaden. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Want to try my finger?
Not quite so bad.
This is nasty.
If you want more, eat this.
Yummy, yummy rice. She doesn't like it at all.
She also has hiccups.
Hey. Have some more? Yummy, yummy. I've always wanted rice. Yum. Has any of it gone in her mouth?
I think some has. Stop trying to eat everything else. She's like, I don't get this at all. You gonna not want this at all?
Look at it.